From Neural Newscast, this is Prime Cyber Insights, intelligence for defenders, leaders, and decision makers.
Welcome to Prime Cyber Insights. I'm Aaron.
And I'm Lauren. Today is Wednesday, March 11th, and we're breaking down a particularly dense Patch Tuesday cycle.
Microsoft released 84 patches yesterday, Lauren, but the real story is how some of these were identified. We're looking at a critical remote code execution flaw in the Microsoft Devices Pricing Program, CVE 2026-21536, which carries a CVSS score of 9.8.
That's right, Aaron. It was discovered by XBOW, an autonomous AI penetration testing platform. This marks one of the first instances where an AI agent has been credited with finding a 9.8 rated vulnerability in the OS. While Microsoft has mitigated this on their end, it signals a massive shift toward AI-driven discovery.
Beyond the AI-identified bugs, we have two public zero days, a denial-of-service flaw in .NET, and a high-severity privilege escalation bug in SQL Server. However, the volume of privilege escalation across the board is what stands out, accounting for over 55% of this month's CVEs.
It's a clear trend, Aaron. Attackers are focusing on post-compromise lateral movement. Vulnerabilities like the WinLogon flaw, CVE 2026-21587, allow a low-privileged attacker to achieve SYSTM status. We also have a server-side request forgery bug in Azure's Model Context Protocol that could let an attacker capture managed identity tokens.
We should also note the risk for organizations utilizing AI assistants. CVE 2026-26144 in Excel is an information disclosure flaw where an attacker could potentially use Copilot to exfiltrate data as part of a zero-click attack.
Transitioning from software patches to the development pipeline, recent reports indicate 5 malicious Rust crates are currently circulating. These, combined with AI bots, are actively being used to exploit CI/CD pipelines to steal developer secrets.
It underscores the need for the rapid patching workflows Microsoft is pushing with Windows Auto Patch and Hot Patching, which aims for 90% compliance in half the standard time. Speed is the only real defense against this level of automation, Lauren.
Agreed. Prioritizing these SQL Server and WinLogon fixes is a must for this week. I'm Lauren.
And I'm Aaron. For more analysis, visit pci.neuralnewscast.com. That concludes our briefing. Prime Cyber Insights is for informational purposes only. Consult vendor documentation for all deployment decisions. Neural Newscast is AI-assisted, human-reviewed. View our AI transparency policy at neuralnewscast.com.
This has been Prime Cyber Insights on Neural Newscast, intelligence for defenders, leaders, and decision makers.